Hey guys, this is how to publish a Squarespace website. So guys, the first thing what you will do is simply go to the Squarespace and just simply click on your profile on the top right. And after that, go to the account dashboard. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select your site. And now, once you have selected your site, you can just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon over here, which is the settings. And now from here, you can just simply go for the site availability over here. And as you can see, select who can view your site. And now from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the public over here. And since I don't have a premium subscription on the Squarespace, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, you can just simply toggle this on. And from there, you should be able to publish your Squarespace website. And now you can just simply click on upgrade to publish. And from here, guys, you will have multiple plans that you can choose from. And you will have four options over here. And this is all of the features that is within the each subscription. So just simply select which one do you prefer, and from there you should be able to publish your site. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more on how to publish your website. And there you go. See ya.